Hello everyone and welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. Hope you all are doing well. After so many days, I'm here with a video on English spelling rules. If you are new to my channel, let me tell you that I have already uploaded more than 130 videos on English spelling rules, how to teach them to kids, what are the secrets that we don't know about English spelling. So if you want to learn about English spellings and the conventions or rules that they follow, please check the description box of this video and also hit the subscribe button, because on this channel you will find the answer to all the myths about English spelling. So let's talk about the word promise today. According to the spelling, the word should be pronounced as promise, okay, because this is the vowel and it is followed by a silent final E with a consonant in the middle. And usually the words that follow this pattern, vowel, consonant, and a silent final E, we read them with the long sound of vowel. For example, the word make, we have the long A sound, or cake, or bake, or ice, or mice. So many words in which we have this pattern, vowel, consonant, and the silent final E that pulls the sound of vowel, and then the vowel says its long sound. But in the word promise, the vowel I is not saying its long sound. It is saying the short sound E, pro, me, E, S. Then why do we have this silent final E at the end? Your students may ask you this question, or if you are a teacher or a student, you might be thinking that what is the reason behind this silent final E at the end of the words? So let's today explore this, that why do we have a silent final E at the end of some words when it's not pulling the sound of the vowel. So if I give a name to this rule is called plural cancelling E. So let's first see what does the rule say. The rule says that most of the time when a base word ends in the sound of letter S, we add a silent final E that tells us the word is not meant to be plural. To understand this rule better, let's see the explanation part. Many English words are turned into plural by adding an S at the end. We all know this, right? For example, b, a, g, s, bags. Okay? Or t, o, p, s, tops. So there are plenty of English words that become plural when you add an S to them. Okay? So this is what we call the base word, and this S is the plural S, or we can simply say that this is a suffix. Top is a base word and this S is a suffix that is making the word top plural. Let's come here again. Many English words are turned into plural by adding an S at the end. We understand this. So if we leave the base English words at S, they will look like a plural and will confuse the reader. To understand this a bit better, let's see some examples. Okay, so here we go. If our word is tense, the time, okay? Present, past, future, tense. If we don't write this E after S, the word will be tens, the number 10, okay? Tens, hundreds, units, something like this, okay? So it will be like this, tens. So to help our reader not get confused, we just put a silent final E after S. Some other examples are dense and dense, okay? These are two different words. Lapse, time lapse, and laps, the lap of your mother, okay? We have the word horse. It is ending at SE. If we just remove this E, it will look something like this, horse. The sound is fine, but this S is making me confused whether whore is a word and we have made it plural by adding S, or this is misspelled, right? So to not make it look like plural, we need to add a silent final E at the end. Got it? Some other examples are collapse, house, mouse, promise. The word from where we started our video. Okay, so this is not promise, it's simply promise. Got it? So let's wrap up our lesson. Adding a little more to this, don't get confused because some adjectives end in OUS. Okay? Here you won't find an E at the end because OUS is a suffix that make words adjectives, okay? And it is not the part of base word. Remember this word base word. We are only talking about the base word. For example, we have a word danger. This is a noun. And now we are adding the suffix OUS to it to make it dangerous. So our base word is this, and this part is the suffix. So S can come at the end of English words in the form of suffix like OUS. Here we don't need a silent final E. Hope this is clear very well. Now let's talk about the child-friendly approach. How will we give all this to our kids? It's as simple as teaching them any spelling or any spelling pattern. What you can do, simply tell them, kiddos, please don't leave your word at a single S if it's not plural. For example, if the word is mouse, can you sound it out? Ow, s. Is mouse a singular or plural? It's singular, right? So don't leave it at a single S. What do you need to do? You need to add a silent final E. There you go. And this is the right spelling. Let's spell house. Ow. Is this a plural word? It is not plural. So don't let it end at S. What you will do? You will add a silent final E. Right? Similarly, the word horse or s. These are the right sounds. But is the word horse plural? It's not plural. So what you will do? You will add a silent final E after S. Okay? One more thing that you need to remember, that teach this rule after teaching them the floss rule. Okay? You need to teach the floss rule before teaching this rule to kids, so they already know that words end in double S. For example, if they want to write miss, so they will write a single S? No, double S. Why double S? Because this is a short vowel, and after a short vowel at the end of short words, we double the letters F, L, S, and Z. If you want to learn more about this rule and how to teach this rule to kids, again, this is the important thing, how you will teach this to kids. You can find out the link in the description box or just search the whole playlist of English spelling rules that I have created for you. Now, there are a few high frequency words that don't follow this rule. For example, is and as, his and has. You can simply tell kids that these words are naughty words, they are rule breakers, so they don't follow any rules. Okay? And with this is the end of our today's video. Hope you found it beneficial. Hope you like it. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.